Hey there! Today we're talking about how you can save time and boost your efficiency using 3 specific ChatGPT prompts. These prompts can make a real difference in how you manage your daily tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone trying to get things done, these tips are for you. Alright, let's get into the meat of it. Go to www.chatgpt.com through your preferred browser and test out these 3 ChatGPT prompts that can seriously streamline your tasks. I will list the prompts in the description below. First up, you can use the prompt, "Help me organize my day with a to-do list based on my priorities." This prompt goes beyond a simple to-do list. By specifying based on my priorities, you're asking ChatGPT to intelligently structure your day. As a real-world use case, imagine you're launching a new product. You have marketing tasks, website updates, and meetings to schedule. Input these into ChatGPT with priorities like time-sensitive tasks first, website launch is critical, and meetings should be grouped together. ChatGPT will then create a schedule that prioritizes the website launch tasks, slots in time-sensitive items, and efficiently groups your meetings. The advantages would be to reduce your stress. Instead of facing a mountain of tasks, you have a clear, prioritized plan. The AI helps you allocate your time more effectively, focusing on high-impact activities first. And with a clear plan, you can avoid decision fatigue and stay on track throughout the day. Next, try, summarize this article into key points. This is incredibly powerful for staying updated in today's fast-paced world. For example, on how it can benefit you. Let's say you're in marketing and need to stay on top of industry trends. Instead of spending hours reading lengthy reports, use this prompt to get the gist of articles on competitor analysis, new social media strategies, or changing consumer behavior. You could save time by quickly absorb information from long-form content, perfect for busy schedules. The key points would help you grasp the core message without getting lost in details. And finally, you could efficiently analyze multiple sources to gather insights for reports, presentations, or decision-making. Finally, use draft an email to my team about our upcoming project deadline. This goes beyond simply generating an email. By providing context, like the project deadline, you're guiding ChatGPT to craft a relevant and actionable message. Imagine leading a software development team. You can use this prompt to draft emails about various topics. For project updates, you might say, draft an email to my team outlining the progress on the alpha release and reminding them of the upcoming testing phase deadline. For meeting invitations, you could use, draft an email to my team inviting them to a brainstorming session on Tuesday at 2 p.m. to discuss solutions for the recent bug reports. And for task assignments, try, draft an email to Sarah and John assigning them the task of reviewing the new design mockups and providing feedback by Friday. The advantages are clear. Professional communication ensures your emails are well-structured, clear, and to the point. It saves time by helping you avoid writer's block and quickly generate drafts for various email scenarios. Plus, it maintains a consistent tone and style in your team communications. Here's an example of how someone might use one of these prompts. A friend of mine was swamped with a huge project at work, juggling multiple tasks and feeling completely overwhelmed. She decided to try the first prompt about organizing her day. Help me organize my day with a to-do list based on my priorities. After inputting her priorities, she was surprised at how much more focused she felt. By aligning her tasks with her goals, she managed to finish ahead of schedule, and even had time to spare for some well-deserved relaxation. It was a game changer for her productivity. So there you have it. Today we've covered 3 fantastic ChatGPT prompts that can help you save time and boost your daily efficiency. Remember, you can use these to get organized, summarize information quickly, and communicate effectively. With just a little help from AI, you can transform your daily grind into a more manageable routine. Before you go, I want to encourage you to give these prompts a try and share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how they work for you. And if you're interested in more tips on maximizing productivity with AI tools, make sure to check out our next video. As always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the AI Did Not Know That channel and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.